Hello, today we are going to start with primary active transport, which mainly consists of sodium potassium pump. Here is a diagrammatic representation of the sodium potassium pump. Here, the potassium pump uses the ATP, uh, that is energy, to transport the substances. It transports substances like sodium, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, and chlorine ions. It uses a specialized carrier protein which has three specific features, which I memorize as 3 to 1, which means there are three binding sites for sodium inside and two binding sites for potassium outside, and there is some ATPase like activity on the protein complex. This this uh, binding sites attaches three sodium ions, and the potassium binding site is attached potassium ions. Now what happens, the ATP con- like ATP is like activity of the complex protein is triggered, which converts the ATP to ADP, which liberates energy. This energy leads to conformational changes. The sodium binding sites present inside goes outside, and the potassium binding sites that were present outside comes inside. This binding sites along with them brings the ions, that is potassium and sodium. So the net movement of ions are sodium goes outside and potassium comes inside. How to memorize this in a simple way? Sodium goes out, potassium comes in, and this is done with the help of ATPase like activity present on the protein complex. So the outside of membrane gets positively charged and inside of membrane gets negatively charged due to loss of one positive, that is sodium ion. Thank you.